know what BAQ henna stands for? Well, I got the answers for you in this video. Welcome to the Henna Sooq channel. My name is Khadija, and every Thursday we got the henna body art videos for you, brand new series that we started. And I also specialize in henna natural hair dyeing and Ayurvedic healthy hair care. And we have a lot of new subscribers, so welcome. Let's get into this. What is BAQ? What does it even stand for? It stands for Body Art Quality Henna Powder. So Body Art Quality is a very special henna powder that is extra finely sifted. It is the best of the best, because just like, coffee, when you're choosing your coffee and you're selecting, certain types of produce, what makes Body Art Quality henna powder unique is just the quality of it, that it's fresh, it's the latest crop, it has the most dye content, and it's just so creamy and smooth and easy to work with, and it is natural. In Body Art Quality henna powder, we are looking for the best of the best henna plants that have the highest dye content. We're testing every single batch that we get before we actually purchase it. So they get the henna plant, they dry out those leaves, usually in the sun, and making sure that no water or moisture gets to it so that there's no mold being created whatsoever. We don't want that. And then they mill it into a very fine powder, and then it is triple sifted by hand through a very fine mesh cloth, almost like silk scarves. That's how fine we want that powder to be. And when that powder is as good as that, that color is like amazing and just pops. What makes Body Art Quality henna powder so much better, not only the color and all the sift, but it's just so easy to work with. It's just extremely easy. Like something like Jamila henna powder, which is a great go-to henna powder. This is something that will not be sitting and clogging on the skin when you're doing body art, when you're doing hair, and you're not going to get all these twigs and all this other stuff in your hair. You don't want that kind of stuff in your hair, and that's what makes the regular henna you might find in regular markets that don't specialize in henna. You'll see that it'll be harder to wash out. The color won't be as rich, and it's just doesn't even smell as good. Like Body Art Quality henna powder smells so good. And when you're getting Body Art Quality henna powder, it should be something that a company could easily answer. Like they should just know. Does Body Art Quality mean that it's organic or natural or pure? That actually doesn't determine if it's organically certified or natural, because even if it's Body Art Quality, sometimes you got to go a little deeper. You got to ask them, what's the pesticide used? Is it organically certified? Is it natural? Because remember, natural and organic, as far as certification, are two different things, and we don't want to get that confused. Just because something's natural doesn't make it organic, which is a whole nother video that you can catch on the Henna Sooq channel. And the great thing is that right here at Henna Sooq, we got all the Body Art Quality henna powder for you. Like every single henna powder we carry is Body Art Quality. So thank you for tuning in. I'm gonna see you again. Don't forget, every Thursday we got another henna body art video, and we have new videos on Sundays and Tuesdays. So check us out then, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell button.